Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am back with another luxury bag unboxing. This one is from anyfashion.ru. I have worked with them before in the past and I'm working with them again. So if you guys don't already know, they are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, and this time around we got some Dior, and I actually got this as a gift for my sister. So this is the Christian Dior. They put it as the My Lady bag. I think it has a similar name on the actual Christian Dior website. I would have to put it on the screen just to clarify, but this is the 16 by 9 by 5 centimeter bag, and it retails for $300 on anyfashion.ru's website, which is significantly cheaper than what you would pay for it on Dior's website. So it does come with the Dior box. And let's open it. And I want to try to keep it nice because, yeah, I don't want to mess it up. This is my first time opening it. Usually with my unboxings, you guys, I've already opened everything, but I have to do this for so it does come with a strap, of course, because I believe you can wear it crossbody. So we're going to remove the plastic. We have it, and this is going to be in black and gold. We have this one. So you guys are getting to see an actual true unboxing from me. Like, I usually, when I do my unboxings, I already have like all the plastic and everything removed. So this is the longer strap. And as you guys can see, they usually have the plastic around it, and I usually just unwrap them, and you can see in the details it says CD. You guys would probably see it better if I took the plastic off, and that's why I usually remove everything before filming, so that's just easier to do. But you guys get to really see how the bags come. So there's the CD. Okay, let's get to the bag. And then at the bottom has like a little Dior sticker. A Dior ribbon. I could actually take this off and like tie it around the box and make it cute. But knowing me, I don't know how to tie stuff good. Okay guys, the actual bag. So it does come with this dust bag. Okay, I was about to say, where's the Dior on the bag? But here it is. And let's see what we got here. So it looks like this. It's really little and adorable. Little black bag. You can see the CD on here. Let's remove the plastic off of the handles. As y'all can see, it comes with the handles protected. So, and then it also has this inside the bag to keep the shape. We'll take that out and see what's in here. Okay, it has another like little bubble wrap in here. Take that out. Okay, the construction's really good. So this is the inside. It's very sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything. And you can see the two clasps on the inside of where you would put the loops for the strap so you can wear a crossbody. So there's no pocket or anything inside, I don't think. Yeah, it doesn't feel like there's a pocket, but wish you guys could see that a little better. On the inside, it does have like the Christian Dior tag, but it's hard to see. And then let's see what this part is. Oh, you just take it off. And it has the little Dior charms. So yeah, guys, originally I would usually have all of this removed, but like I said, I never peeked at this bag before doing the unboxing. Usually I always peek at the bags and like remove all the plastic, and then I show you guys the video and film the unboxing, quote unquote. But yeah, okay, so each one of these tassels kind of have like the plastic on it, so you have to remove it. I'm glad I'm doing it now so that like when she opens it, she can just really see the bag and not see it with all this plastic on. And I'm uploading this video after she gets the bag, so. Okay, I still have like so much plastic to remove, but I did it in the front at least so you guys could get a better look at the bag. So really nice construction, guys. So cute. That definitely makes like a really nice evening bag. So yeah, guys, I will have this bag linked in the description box below for you guys, plus the discount code. Make sure you guys check out anyfashion.ru. They have really good quality, plus so many other designer brands on there for you guys to choose from. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.